Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's SHIB update. Now yesterday I talked about SHIB and I told you that if SHIB is looking to coming down, it's going to actually come to 1400 and it's going to be looking to make some particular back testing of the previous resistances and supports as well. Now at the moment I don't really think if SHIB right now is going to survive, because of course Bitcoin is looking too bad right now for me to say anything, for me to say that SHIB is going to survive all of this. So it's probably that SHIB is looking to really go down again. And in the last videos I told you that SHIB is a pending target, and that pending target means that SHIB is about to drop big time from there to there. We might be looking for 500%, sorry, 59 drops to the downside, maybe down to that level and come down here, and who knows, it can actually even continue to go way more lower. You never know. Okay, so the thing is that the reason why I do say that SHIB is looking really bad right now is because of this monthly bear flag. Okay, so you have that flag right here, you're putting in the flag, and that flag technical target still takes you from the top to the bottom right there. This is where you broke it out and you never met the target, and that target still comes down to this level. Do you see that? 545. So I do see SHIB coming down to 545 in the future, trying to hold this level, maybe bottom out here again and then move sideways a little bit and then start to move to the upside. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on SHIB right now. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.